How do I work with world and local coordinate systems in Unreal Editor? Very similar to the 3D applications 3ds Max and Maya, you have access to local and world coordinate systems to manipulate your objects, and you can find these at the top in the toolbar, a little drop down that allows you to choose between world and local. By default, this is going to be set to world, so as you grab your object and maybe rotate it around, if you get your move tool back out, you'll notice that you're still oriented to the world axes, such that Z always points up, X always points in one direction, Y always points in the other, no matter the orientation of your object. If you pop back up here to the drop down and select local coordinates, you're now orienting your gizmos, or your widgets, to the orientation of your object. So Z is always going to point to the local Z of the object. You can think of it kind of like the top of the object. If you were floating in midair and you rotated 90 degrees to the left so that your head was actually pointed off to the side, you would still internalize up as being up towards your head, and that's exactly what we have here. And you can see the widget reflecting that. So if I rotate the object even further, you'll notice that my rotation widget is now updating accordingly. So it's also rotating with the object, so is my scale widget, and of course so is my move widget. So that's a quick look at how you can work with world and local coordinate systems, which wraps up this How Do I video.